Tutorial number 3.5. In this tutorial, I will draw the character with a nose and antlers in the animation titled 2019 Happy New Year. I slightly changed the picture because I thought the picture would look nicer.
And the link of the animation will be in the description box below.
Now let's get started with this tutorial. 1. Draw a tree without leaves because it's winter. 2. Draw the general shape of the character. A vertical line in the center can help when drawing. 3. Draw a headband and antlers. 4. Erase unnecessary lines. 5. Draw the eyes and nose. 6. Draw apples on the side. 7. Outline everything in black. 8. Thicken certain lines to add dimension. 9. Draw snow on the branches with white and outline it in black. 10. Thicken certain lines of the snow. 11. Color the snow and character in white. 12. Color the tree, antlers, nose, and some apples in red. 13. Add a layer of small green dithering on the tree and antlers. 14. Add a layer of medium black dithering, large black dithering, and black on certain areas of the tree for more texture. 15. Add shadow to the snow with a layer of medium blue dithering and small blue dithering. 16. Add a layer of medium green dithering, small green dithering, and green on the stomach and the center of the ears. 17. Color some apples green. 18. Color the rest of the apples yellow. 19. Add a layer of medium red dithering to the cheeks. 20. Add highlights to the nose and apples. 21. Add shadow underneath the character with medium black dithering and small black dithering. 22. Add sparkles to the antlers. 23. With different sizes of blue dots, create the background. The dots transition from big to small from the top to bottom of the page. 24. Combine the blue background and main subjects of the picture together. Hope you like this tutorial. Comment any thoughts, suggestions, and questions down below. Coming soon is tutorial 3.6. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Dreaming Cream.